It's almost July, and nandito pa rin Christmas tree namin. Yo, what is the one thing na kinabubisitan or that sneakerheads hate to feel? Apart from seeing, obviously, their sneakers crumble and turn to dust and cake if they haven't used it for a while. That one thing is when they buy a sneaker at what they perceive to be the SRP, and then suddenly it goes on sale. And then the price just goes down. And then you realize, shucks, sana I could have just bought it at like half the price. And that's what's happened to me. So I don't know if you guys remember this a few vlogs ago. I talked about how I bought this pair of New Balances that were super expensive. Nakita ko parang namamamahalan, hindi ko maintindihan ba't ko binili. Sabi ko pa, it was one of the worst financial decisions you could make, which is this New Balance 990 V6 in this really nice swanky colorway, off-white, white, cream, sale, whatever you want to call it. But the SRP of this here in the Philippines was at 18,000 something pesos. Now, I cannot confirm this because I haven't been to that particular branch. But someone commented and said na this pair was already on sale and you could buy it for like 10,000, 11,000 pesos something. Ay, kung totoo man yun, if that is true, that is sad. Because I could have just waited a few months and bought it for like almost half the price. But anyway, it hurts even more because I haven't even worn it yet. Diba? So parang buti sana if I wore it already, it got some mileage. But I have been wearing my V6s in the gray colorway more. But since might as well, I'll probably use this as my sneakers of the day. So ito suotin natin for sa lahat ng mga lakad ko for today. So anyway, yun ang masamang pakiramdam. If that has happened to you, comment down below. Ang ganda din yun. Bam! Sneakers of the day. And of course, we have Panda over here. Hi, Panda! Kinulo na naman kita. Hello, say hello to the vlog. Nagulo siya. Sorry. I was asking for proof that the full Christmas tree is still there. Ta-da! July 2020, almost July 2025. Nandito pa siya. Sa mga Dragon Ball fans ko, no, Crocs, Frieza na collab. Tapos meron dito yung perfect sale. Ang kulit. Dito tayo sa Foot Locker dito sa Green Hills Mall. Buti na lang walang size ko. Kasi kung may size ko, baka binili ko pa. Ay, meron size ko yung isa. Patay, may size natin. Tadaan! Ganda. Well, medyo baduy siya if you think about it. But yeah, if you're a fan, you're a fan. So as you guys saw, I just came from Foot Locker over at Green Hills Mall. Nakita ko yung Dragon Ball Crocs. And I really wanted to buy it. But the green colorway of Cell and the white and purple colorway of Frieza just didn't appeal to me. However, I did find this, which I ended up buying. Talagang kailangan bumili ng something, you know. So this is the collaboration between Crocs and The Simpsons. And I wanted to get it kasi I recently heard that they actually killed off Marge. Si Marge, you know, R.I.P. Marge, from the cartoon series in a recent episode. I don't know if that was fake news. Pero dahil lang on the same day ko narinig yun, tapos nakita ko to, parang, it was like a sign. I needed to get it. And yeah, ang ganda naman yun. All the characters are here. You can see Homer, Lisa, Bart, Marge. Tapos nandito pa sila yung iconic scene na nandun sila sa sofa. I don't know if you guys can see it. These are some of probably the best looking, what do you call this? May tawag dyan, yung mga kinakabit dyan, chibits ba yun or something? Basta, I really, really like this one. And they had it in my size. So, alam mo naman, if you're size 13 and you find something that's in your size, and isa na lang, parang it's meant to be. So yeah, ended up getting this one. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below of this particular Crocs. Now, apart from that, I just wanted to share, I also got dropped by Xiaomi, their shop, yung Xiaomi shop. And one question I got asked recently is if there are any speakers that are portable and small, wireless speakers below 1,000 pesos that are worth or, you know, worth considering. And this is the Xiaomi Sound Pocket. This one sells for around 700 pesos, less than 1,000 pesos. It is wireless, it is Bluetooth, it has a really like big bass amplifier or subwoofer here at the top. The colorway is nice, and for the price, I just feel like if naghahanap ka lang na something to bring with you, a portable speaker, works well, you might want to give this one a shot. Again, it's just what? It's just 700 something pesos. I think there's just so much value these days with technology, with the prices that we're getting. So again, this is the Xiaomi Sound Pocket. I believe this is available in Shopee. So I'll link it down below if you guys want to get one. Yun naman yan. Yan si Panda. Si Jego. Uchu. Every time kumakain ako, ganyan yung mga yan. Ang cute. I-zoom nga natin. Ay, cute talaga. Tingnan nyo. Hoy, Jego! Someone likes the new Balance shoes that I bought. Say hi to the vlog, Jego. Diba? You know, those are the new Balance 2010s that I recently got. They were just here hanging out in the living room kasi nga I think I featured them here on the channel a couple of days ago. Really nice, no? I think I'll wear them today. Yeah. Wow, ganda talaga. Beautiful shoe. Ang mahal lang talaga dito sa Pilipinas. Now, before we move on, I got this package. This is from Goojodoq yata yung tawag sa brand. This is a brand of portable fans that are really affordable. Like literally below 1,000 pesos karamihan sa kanila. And if you are living in Manila or in a tropical country, portable fans are really just a must these days. And we have to give them a shot, no? So, this one, ito, kita ninyo. This is the ano ba to? Paano ba to pronounce? How do you guys pronounce this? This is Goojodoq. So, as you can see, it is a high-speed fan. Ganyan yung itsura niya. These sell for less than 1,000 pesos also. Some of them sell for like less than 500. I think most of them sell for less than 500. So if you guys want to get one also, I will link it down below. You can get it on Shopee. So these are some of their models. This one, retract yung taas niyan and you can angle it in the way that you want to. We have other models over here. This one is their high-speed fan. Kita naman ninyo. With the LED, I think, display for how fast the fan is. This one is their mini. So this is the smaller version. It's the high-speed pocket fan of Goojodoq. So again, all of these sell for less than 1,000. I'll link them down below over at below here on the YouTube video. Commonwealth sa Greenbelt. Dati madalas tayo here. So from the window, oh, that's a nice tote. I think that's from Beep. Some camo thing. Then we have a couple of sneakers. We've got, I think recently mostly apparel, not talaga sila versus sneakers, but yeah. Apparently there's a Golden Goose boutique here already in Greenbelt. I didn't know that. So we're here at Neutral Grounds in Green Hills Mall. There's a new magic product, yung Final Fantasy collaboration, and this is the gift bundle which they sell for 17,000 pesos. So it contains 9 booster packs, play booster packs, 2 traditional foil, 1 nice box, a nice dice, and lands. I'm not sure if this is worth the money. I think it has a collector booster pack. Parang at 17,000, it kind of feels pricey. But let's see. Paano ba ito binubuksan? Ito sa side. So apparently, ito yung special box. Okay. Comes with, ano ba ito? Si Bahamut ba ito? O si Ifrit? Okay, hindi ko alam. Ano ito sila? Yan. Tama, it's Bahamut and Ifrit, which is the same design of the box. This design is what they used also for the foil playmat, and there is also like available sleeves for this particular design. So if we pop it open, ano ba naman ito? Makita natin. Yan. So we have a special spin down dice that has the Final Fantasy logo. Ganda naman. And then we have, ayan, ano ba ito mga to? Okay, so ito yung what you actually paid for. So you get, ito yata yung foil lands eh. So foil lands, and then you have extended art cards. Then you have non-foil lands. These are the 9 play booster packs. And then you get 1 collector booster pack. Bentahan ito sa market right now, I think is around 5,000 pesos, 5,500 each. So this is worth approximately, I don't know, 4,500, 5,000. So this is 9,000. Ito, this is 9,000-ish. So, parang saan nanggaling yung 7,000? So parang ito. And the box. So yeah, the bundle is kind of pricey. Siguro, yeah, it is pricey if you ask me. But anyway, let's take a look at what else is here. So buksan na natin. Nandito na rin naman tayo eh. So let's open packs and see if there's anything we get nice. I will just open them all right now and then get back to you kung ano yung main hits kasi boring. Pag isa-isahin ko pa ito yun, masyado matagal. Okay, so na-open na natin lahat ng booster packs, the play boosters anyway. And yung main hit natin, I guess, are 3 Vincent Valentines. This one is in foil. This one is normal print. We have a jumbo cactuar. We have another one in non-foil. And I think yung mga mahal, kung meron man, would be Lightning. I'm not sure. I have to double check the price. And then Emmet Selch, kasi yun yung parang mythic. Now we have the collector booster, wherein you get a chance to pull yung Chocobo. I think you serialize is worth like millions, but that's like less than 0.01% to pull. So, ay asa ka na lang, di ba? So, tingnan natin. So, let's try to get until the land. That's na ba yung land? Kasi yung land, yung... Ayan, ito. So, okay, tingnan natin. So, these are where the rares are. Oh, Jill, Shiva Dominant. Falcon, Airship Restored. Protection Magic. Ganda ng art, oh. Really nice art. Ano ba yan? 4 na Vincent Valentine. Uy, Fatal. Ganda. Fatal Push na foil. Battle at the Big Bridge. This one's nice. This one looks really nice. Ganda pa ng art. And our last card is... Surge Foil ni Safer. Wow, nice. I'm not sure if this is pricey, but I'll take it.